Well, you see those coils around the plant? These are lemon trees, actually. They've been producing some lemons. They've been doing okay. And I got my tarp ready for the freeze, and kerosene lamp, which is going to go under there. This is a makeshift thing for stake down. It's like a little pup tent, so they don't freeze tonight. But this coil, that's called the Lakhovsky coil. It's amazing. Farmers don't know about this junk. It was known back in the 1930s from George Lakhovsky. Does work. Especially the simpler the organism, a plant, then you go to an animal, then you go to human species, even wearing the coil around the wrist. That's why it's open like that. It collects energies in and around us, not just from the sunlight that's obvious from the visible light, but there's energies coming from the sun that cause, it's like a capacitor. You know how the capacitor shows that little open gap? It collects the energy and then it releases it. You have it at a slight angle to towards the south, with the north the open gap being in the north. It has to be copper. Doesn't matter if it's clad in insulation. It still collects the energy. It can't be aluminum. It can't be steel. It can't be zinc, or it's got to be copper. So, but it does work. It does keep the plants healthier. It's amazing with the orange tree blight and all that other garbage. People don't even freaking try and do this stuff because they're so. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. Technology that's been around, that's very simple, that people known about for decades. It's buried. And if you get more complex, actually these coils have been tested even with injecting plants with cancer, and sometimes they work. Now, if you used a complicated array of coils with the Tesla coils, it's amazing what it can do. So that's why these things will survive, no problem. When you get, it's got a pup tent all ready for it. It goes right over this. It's staked down here, all across there, and you see how I have it made. You know, it's brackets and stuff, pressure treated lumber. So it'll work.